Welcome to Daddy Bits, our trade idea show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on, Poster Boy?
Post the boys in the building. Dude, the reason why is when I hit the button and I hit yes, there's no stopping it. We have to restart the entire process.
Oh, that's fine.
Gotcha. For sure. There we go. How's everything, my guy?
Well, doing well, man. Market was actually boo-boo today.
It's but
you know who held the market today? It was Apple.
Apple definitely did hold the market, but yeah, the rest of the market,
boo-boo.
But absolute but. I wasn't happy about it at all. I mean, like I'm down like 1,300.
Man,
still bad though. I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. But you know what? We'll get to it. We'll get back into it. You know, you live another day, as we always say. But John, the question
every day.
You can't be green every day. But John, this question is now the question that's weighing on a lot of people's minds. Do we buy the dip?
No, not with AMC. I'm sorry.
No. I'm not with AMC. I'm not saying buy the dip
with the market.
AMC.
Oh yeah. Buy the dip on the market, man.
Buy the dip on the market. Man, if you guys want to know more about how we're going to play this, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up if you guys like this content. And if you gave us a thumbs down, your mama's a hoe. That's just plain and simple. If you want us to cover any stocks, make sure you drop it down in the comment section below. And with that being said, let's get to it after this intro. Before we move forward, let's get into some member gains. Choppy day, we still have some gains.
Yeah. It was
shout out.
Fairly quiet today.
And fairly quiet. Yeah, I mean, this is always the case. When the room is quiet when there's losses afoot. Like that's just plain and simple. And we're not. I was quiet today. You know what I did today? I tried to sell cable. That was my thing today. I tried to sell internet. That was if the market's sad to me, I'm selling internet. Matt, shout out to Matt, Mr. Consistent himself, 556. Somebody took Apple calls. Oh. Kevin. Congratulations, Kevin. New father, 630 on Apple calls.
That was crazy. He held on to that for
he definitely months. Did. He definitely did. And then we have Tony. Tony. 75 bucks. Really great.
Paid.
Get him paid. There you go. You know, if you guys want to know about how to make these gains, we are running a seminar every Wednesday night. Yes. If you guys are interested, make sure you guys. We're just gonna cover a couple of the trades that I've made in the past few days. QQQ, SPY, whatnot. I'll show some nice P&L and see what happens there, and then see where we go. Hopefully people like the idea and decide to join the fold, right? Join the fold. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys watch the entire video and we'll talk to you guys about it at the very end. But the first stock that we want to cover is Carnival Cruise Line as a review of yesterday's stock that we were talking about. Let me pull up this chart. Disclaimer, I did not take the trade on Carnival Cruise Line.
Yeah, we're going to wait on that one.
I am going to wait on Carnival. I am not the least bit excited yet, but however, I am going to say that this is way, way oversold.
And I do think, in all honesty, after today's candle, I do think this is going to go lower, slightly lower.
Slightly lower.
Yeah, it is beat up, but I don't think, I mean, we're not going to see like 19 or something. I mean, if we do, that'd be crazy. So today's candle was actually pretty weak. It closed at the very lowest point of the day, at the end of the day. And the trading range right now would be, you know, from 18 to, you know, 21-ish, 2150. Mm-hmm. That's your range right there. That's your next range. For this one right here, you can see the MACD is about to, I'm not going to call it a bounce yet because that MACD is wide open. Okay. Yeah. So for this one, I'm not sure if I'm going to take a stab at it tomorrow or Friday. You might want to wait until it actually consolidates. Like it's just doing this because right now it's still on a downward trajectory. So also they had a Didn't they have an offering?
Did they have an offering? Let me check the news. Because Jay just sent out a meme.
Is it about me?
Just look at it. Just look at it.
You mother.
Just look at
it.
But look at it. Look at it first. I want to see it. Look.
They had a hold on. So, all right, folks, for our chat room, we have tons of other stuff that you guys can look at. We have sports betting, we have memes, we have social media, trading setups, whips, we have investment challenge. Anyways, the list goes on and on and on and on. And let's look at the memes.
Oh no, no offering that I see here. However,
what is this?
Did you click on the picture?
I just can't understand why Nico insists AMC. Must I speak to him in actual ape tongue? And the bear shit in the woods, Jay. Apparently, the memes don't stop. The memes don't stop.
It's so good. I can't. There was no. I don't see any share offerings in the news. However, there was a report earlier that says sell Carnival.
Yeah, and didn't we talk about it yesterday that they're gonna sail tomorrow?
On the 5th, yeah, on tomorrow. Tomorrow's the day that they're gonna sail. Yeah, the 15th is tomorrow. Yeah,
it might. I don't know. I mean, we'll see if they announce, some news that we're sailing again, grand reopening. Who knows? That might be a bump right there, but I would rather let this consolidate because right now it's still on a downward pressure. So I'm not gonna take a stab at it, but it's deeply oversold. Look at the RSI,
way oversold.
Look at the MACD. So this should be a nice bounce. Yeah.
And I just looked at the features. It's not looking right, guys.
More features.
It's not looking right. Let's take a look at the next stock. This actually came from the Discord. Shout out to Juice who wanted to know about Wayfair. Wayfair, John. What are we looking at on Wayfair?
Well, we're looking at on Wayfair. Wayfair offers free shipping on furniture. That's what they do.
Really, they do. They do. But Wayfair, however, that's not looking nice either.
You got some more pain, I would say. I'm not
There's
sure
a lot of pain here
with these online. We call this online e-commerce website companies. Amazon's fairly doing well still. I mean, Shopify is actually lagging. What you want to pair with Wayfair is Overstock. I always paired both of them. Whenever I trade Overstock, I would trade Wayfair. For some reason, Overstock's lagging, and then Wayfair would be, leading the pack. For this one right here, I wouldn't touch it with a 6-foot pole because first of all, I'd rather buy it on the first green day. The last 3 candles on the daily, that's what you call 3 fallen soldiers.
Nope, that's a dead soldier. That's
no, for real. I'm not making this up.
No, I know you're not, but
I mean, if you want to take a stab at it, wait for the RSI to hit oversold levels, because last time it did that was around earnings, and it obviously bounced when it hit deep oversold levels. It ran from 260s to like 330.
And earnings are on the 15th, on the 5th. I'm sorry, on the 5th.
Next month, yeah. I wouldn't touch this one. If we see a doji tomorrow, okay, then it has a potential for a short-term bounce, but I wouldn't touch it yet. So
nope, would not touch this at all. I mean, I may.
Right. Premiums are expensive for this one.
I know. Yeah. Tech in general. Yeah. The next stock that we want to cover is Disney. The mouse.
Man,
I love the mouse. This is still pretty.
200 by earnings.
Yeah, this is still pretty. Earnings is
it's setting up, man. It's setting up a flag. That's a nice flag. This is a nice flag actually. So if you are in swings for Disney, there's more to this, guys. Look at this flagpole. Expect another week. Maybe Monday is when we'll see another pop, but hold on to these. Disney, you can never be wrong on Disney. And the one thing that to note, though, the way that I like it is the Bollinger Band, the top Bollinger Band just opened up. So as long as it
keeps on riding the EMA above the EMA 9, there's more room here.
Yep.
I mean, today was just a weird day for the markets. Don't get spooked if you're in Disney calls. And that's pretty much it. Anything else do you want to add to Disney?
No. Well, when it comes to Disney, most likely it's going to have a run up towards earnings. But today, Netflix just announced that they're trying to add on video games to their platform.
Really? Did they run?
Yeah, it popped after hours. So I don't know if that's going to affect Disney tomorrow. Just keep an eye on it. I mean, you can't really compare apples to oranges. You know, I take Disney over Netflix. So.
Oh yeah, for sure. Wow, that did run.
Yeah.
20 points.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Netflix it's been stuck on a range for months now. It hasn't really been relevant at all. So
yeah. And that is pretty much it for the stocks. Again, if you guys want to know how to potentially make those gains, hit up our friends over at bustdowninvestments.com. Hit up JSpees or JSpees Trades and Bust Down Investments on Instagram. Every Wednesday, we do have a free seminar for you guys. So if you guys are interested in joining that or taking a peep as to what actually happens there, give us a nice, shoot us a DM, even if you want to put it down in the comments down below, or we'll link it in the description so you guys could just hit up the website and go on there and hit the Discord link too. And that is pretty much it. Do you have any last parting words?
That's it. We're going to see you guys tonight.
See you guys tonight. Follow us on all social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news. Your merch, the 0DTE merch, just dropped yesterday, so make sure you guys peep that. And with that being said, let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts do not lie.